South Africa is a land of many colors. It is often referred to as the Rainbow Nation, a term that reflects the country's rich diversity and vibrant cultural heritage. This beautiful land is home to a multitude of ethnic groups, each contributing to the nation's unique identity. It's a place where different cultures come together, creating a mosaic of traditions, languages, and customs. Festivals and markets are alive with the sounds, sights, and smells of this cultural fusion. This vibrant mix makes South Africa special. The streets are filled with the energy of people celebrating their heritage, showcasing their traditional attire and sharing their stories. From the bustling cities to the vast landscapes, you can feel the energy of its diverse people. Whether in the urban centers of Johannesburg and Cape Town or the rural villages, the spirit of unity and diversity is palpable. South Africa's history is complex. It has been shaped by a myriad of influences from indigenous cultures to colonial powers and the struggle for freedom and equality. But through it all, the spirit of its people has endured. Their resilience and determination have been the cornerstone of the nation's progress and unity. This spirit is reflected in their languages, music, and art. South Africa boasts 11 official languages, each a testament to its cultural richness. It's a beautiful tapestry woven over centuries. The intricate textiles, the vibrant art, and the soulful music all tell the story of a nation that has embraced its diversity. Let's explore some of the threads that make up this amazing cultural fabric. Join us as we delve into the heart of South Africa, a land where every thread tells a story. The Zulu people are the largest ethnic group in South Africa. Known for their warrior history, they have a rich culture. Their language, isiZulu, is spoken by millions. The Zulus place great importance on respect for elders and ancestors. Family and community are central to their way of life. Traditional healers play a significant role in their beliefs. They use herbs and rituals for healing. The Zulus also express themselves through vibrant beadwork and intricate basket weaving. The Xhosa people are known for their beautiful language, isiXhosa. It's a language of clicks and tones full of expression. Nelson Mandela, our beloved leader, was Xhosa. He often wore traditional Xhosa shirts showcasing his heritage. The Xhosa people have a strong tradition of storytelling. These stories, passed down through generations, teach about their history and beliefs. Music and dance are integral to their cultural expression, often used in ceremonies and celebrations. Cattle hold significant cultural and economic importance for the Xhosa. Section 4. The Sotho, Shepherds of the Mountains. Nestled in the heart of southern Africa, the Sotho people have made the rugged mountains of Lesotho their home for centuries. These highlands, often referred to as the Kingdom in the Sky, are not just a backdrop, but a vital part of their identity and way of life. The Sotho people have a deep connection to the land. Their agricultural practices are adapted to the mountainous terrain, allowing them to cultivate crops and raise livestock in harmony with nature. Many Sotho are skilled artisans, known for their beautiful blankets and intricate beadwork. These crafts are not only a source of income but also a way to preserve their cultural heritage. They have a rich oral tradition with stories passed down through generations. These tales often teach important life lessons and keep the history of the Sotho people alive. Their music often features distinctive harmonies that resonate with the rhythms of their daily lives, and instruments like the lekolulo, a type of flute. Music is an integral part of their ceremonies and celebrations, bringing the community together. The Sotho people have a strong sense of community. They gather for various events, from celebrations to communal work, reinforcing their bonds. They value cooperation and mutual support. This spirit of unity is evident in their daily lives, where neighbors help each other with tasks and come together in times of need. Their history is filled with stories of resilience and adaptation. Despite challenges, the Sotho have maintained their traditions and continue to thrive in their mountainous homeland. Section 5. A Tapestry of Cultures, United in Diversity. South Africa's tribes are like threads in a beautiful tapestry. Each tribe, with its unique customs, traditions, and way of life, adds a distinct hue to the nation's vibrant cultural fabric. Each thread is unique, with its own color and texture. The intricate beadwork of the Zulu, the bold patterns of the Xhosa, and the rich textiles of the Sotho are just a few examples of the diverse artistry found here. But when woven together, they create something truly special. At cultural festivals, you can see this unity and diversity come to life as people from different tribes dance together in harmony. The Zulu, Xhosa, Sotho and many other groups have all contributed to South Africa's rich cultural landscape. Each group brings its own stories, songs and dances, enriching the nation's heritage. And many other groups have all contributed to South Africa's rich cultural landscape. This collective contribution is what makes South Africa so unique and fascinating. It's a land where ancient traditions meet modern influences. In cities, you can find traditional dances performed against the backdrop of modern architecture, showcasing a seamless blend of the old and the new. A place where diversity is celebrated. From multicultural festivals to everyday interactions, the spirit of unity and diversity is palpable. To truly understand South Africa, you must experience its culture. Visit local markets, watch traditional dance performances, and engage with the people to get a genuine feel of the country's soul. So go on, dive in, watch a documentary, listen to some music, taste the food. You won't be disappointed. Each experience will offer you a new perspective and a deeper appreciation of this beautiful land. Go on then, what are you waiting for? Discover South Africa. Embark on a journey that promises to be as enriching as it is exciting. The vibrant culture, warm people, and breathtaking landscapes await you.